This is now 3 to go. And they're right up in the lead now, Stockley Lewis. Big attack now, number 39 makes a big attack. It's Geddes. Geddes leading the way. So it's really happening now. Scott Dibble making a big move as well. But it is Rowan Geddes still leads the way. Look at this. Riders coming fast now as they race into straight in the KFC scratch race. Going to be close. They're going all the way there. Very close. Good tradition to the place finishes here. So down to the area and it's got the
Well, what a day yesterday on the Powernet Cycle Tour of Southland. Now, tell us about the stage winners yesterday. This young Scott Peebles, it's some of these young fellas are really showing through, and I think it was his 20th birthday, wasn't it? Or this week he certainly celebrated it on tour. He got a nice big present yesterday winning stage 4 in the morning.
Okay, but he's a very talented young cyclist, a young Aussie, and obviously over that side of the ditch they've got some very good riders. He's only a little guy, but big heart, and yes, he won that stage in great style yesterday morning.